तो बताओ कहाँ जा रहे हो बैग लेके?
So today we are going to Costco, and do you know why?
Why?
Because we were cooking and we realized that we are out of salt. And Demi likes to use Himalayan pink salt. Himalayan pink salt is not available in Walmart, so we have to go to Costco.
How far is Walmart?
Walmart is right here, but Costco walking distance is 35 minutes away, and I'm taking her walking, and the reason for that is Demi has been busy eating. I want her to lose some weight, so today is her lesson. Walk as much as you can. So 35 minutes of walking.
So guys, we're going to Costco shopping for salt and we will be walking. So guys, these are the real colors of fall. Just look around. The fiery color of trees. And Jake just love it.
Look at this color.
I know you are in love with this color.
Yeah. अरे रिएक्शन कंट्रोल का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि यार एक आदमी सुधरता रहे, तेरे को भी तो कुछ सुधार करने होते हैं।
लेकिन मैंने कुछ किया क्या है यार?
मेरे रिएक्शन कंट्रोल में लगी रहती है, जब तक ये रिएक्शन कब कंट्रोल करोगी?
You can't blame me. While crossing the road, I did not want to switch on the camera. Simple.
I just wanted to show that this is how you cross road in Toronto. That's it. We were standing on the signal.
सावधानी, हटी दुर्घटना घटी. मैं तो सिंपल रूल पे चलती हूँ.
तो इंडिया में वो जैसे गली कूचों और सड़कों पे दुकानें होती हैं, यहाँ कनाडा में भी होती है. ऐसी बात नहीं है कि यहाँ सिर्फ मॉल्स हैं. ये रही देखो.
Yeah, these are like small shopping centers, and there is a puja store. काफी it's a convenient पूजा का सामान भी मिलता है. Oh yes. तो भूल जाओ तो ऐसा मत सोचना कि यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं मिलेगा guys. All the god statues and everything is here. हवन सामग्री से लेके सब कुछ मिलता है. So guys, this is a very important place for immigrants. जब भी आपका यहाँ पे आते हैं तो just look for these Employment Ontario Community Employment Services. They are going to help you to find a job,
find a house, where to settle down. They provide basically integration services. It will help you settle down in Toronto easier or anywhere in Canada.
And it's free of cost service.
Yeah.
And if you volunteer with them, then they're gonna give you some reference later in Canada as well.
Here, they help you with making your resumes. They have youth programs. They help you with apprenticeships to give you the required work experience.
Yeah. So Canada has a very good setup with all these things to help the immigrants, and no other country has such services, I can tell you that. And there's a lot of investment done by the government on such kind of services. In already 20 minutes I am walking, और ये देखो
Now we have to climb this flyover.
ये ऊंचाई चढ़नी भी है, पार भी करनी है, उसके बाद भी चलते रहना है. इतनी एक्सरसाइज करा रहे हैं ना ये मुझे. Hey guys, let me show you some structures, the various structures that you can find in Canada. These are called townhouses. So they are normally 2-floor buildings or something like that.
You know, the only thing that I don't like in these townhouses is that you share a common wall with your neighbors. They all are like joined together.
हाँ, मतलब कि अपार्टमेंट से बेटर लाइफस्टाइल है, बट थोड़ा सा कंजस्टेड ही होता है. बट द एडवांटेजेस आर आल्सो देयर एज वेल, बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव टू डू द आइस स्नो
क्लीनिंग नहीं करनी पड़ती. That is true. Oh yeah, of course, better than living in an apartment.
Yeah.
Less crowded and the city.
And they're quite affordable as well.
Yeah, they are affordable.
Depending on how many bedrooms you have, they cost around $500,000 to $800,000.
Yeah, they are good.
So this is another thing that you can look into.
Demi, baby, और केक खाओगे?
नहीं.
Every time you eat cake, I'll make you walk like this.
No, I will not eat again. Such a long walk.
अच्छा डेमी, ये देख, ये छोटी सी पगडंडी वॉक जो है ना, दिस इज अ शॉर्टकट. It will save us, I think, 1 kilometer. We don't have to go through the main road. घुस जाए यहाँ पे. Okay, there is a little this skate park. Kids are doing skating. Beautiful setting. That's what I love about Toronto. And finally, we have reached Costco. Right there. Demi, happy?
Very happy. They're gonna close at 6 today, so jaldi se aa jao.
Finally, after that long walk, Himalayan pink salt.
Thank you.
So our Costco shopping is done. Make sure when you come to Costco, have this vanilla cone. This is one of the best ice cream.
And the cheapest too.